Eid al-Adha is celebrated on 10th Zilhajj. It is celebrated in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. When Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was sleeping, he got a dream that he was sacrificing his son. Really? Yes, he obeyed the order of Allah. Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam went to a faraway hill, and when he was about to slaughter his son, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala replaced him with a lamb. When Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam saw that his son was beside him and the lamb was sacrificed, Hazrat Ibrahim thanked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for protecting his son. So, when we sacrifice animals, we also distribute it to our neighbors, poor and needy, and our relatives. Eid Mubarak!